You got to overcome adversity when you build a house like the New American Home.
We had a lot of challenges between excavation on this mountain, which is basically made from bedrock.
Everything right now is on schedule and moving forward as it needs to. We're in our rough-in part, so all of our MEPs, mechanical, electrical, and plumbings are going in. On-guard fire suppressions, the orange pipes above us. Got a lot of Lutron light systems going in the home. Noni's Electric's doing a great job with that. We have upwards of 55, 60 guys on site at one time. And you really need perfect communication and have everybody work together to be able to achieve that. It's been a blast to see. I've never been a part of a project like this.
We have a couple fire features in the house, and we have a couple fire pits outside, as well as gas ranges and gas furnaces.
Omega Flex provided all the gas lines and connections, and even the manifolds they had built on site in Pennsylvania, had them brought out to us. I think it was a 3-day delivery turnaround. They flew out to oversee everything, and it's been a great process working with them.
They've managed to do this house in 2 days.
It's exponentially faster to use this track pipe. Next stage of the New American Home 2027 would be closing up these walls, which would be insulation, drywall, and then coming right behind that will be our cabinets.
Real excited to see it done. This is going to be a beautiful house.